Well, I've arrived out here at Griggs Reservoir in Columbus, Ohio, and I'm supposed to meet Francisco. I think he's from Ventura Fishing, Bassing, or something like that. I'll get it from him when he gets here. But we're going to be fishing for some smallmouth today. And I'll get back with you when he gets here. He's supposed to be here any minute, so we'll be ready to go. I met up with Francisco here, and we're out at Griggs Reservoir, and it's below the dam, and you can see it's way up. So he's going to take me to a couple of his ponds, and then we're going to finish up at Darby Creek and see what we got. Francisco.
Wish us luck.
So we're going to see if we can't get some fish somewhere today. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go give a couple ponds. Looks like we're going to do some pond hopping. So we're going to give this lake a try. See if we don't get run out. Well, we got our first one. So that's good. Little one, but it'll work.
That's a start.
Thank you, sir. For the bass there. Is my camera on? Okay. Well, that's bass number 2.
Oh my god, I'm getting smoked by bugs. Look at it.
Another little one, but it'll work. Oh, look, he's hooked up. Good one. Doing some urban fishing right in these people's yards. Oh, he's tied me up with bass number 2 right there. I don't know if you can see him. He's on the other side of the fountain there. So Francisco's at 2. Hooked up again. Woo. Well, we've gotten about 5 little bass out of here anyway. Fun, fun, fun. Got us another one going. That's a little bit better. So not bad. All right, Francisco's got another one. Look at that. All right. We both caught us another one. All about the same size, I think. Not too shabby though. I got a hog. Yep, I got a 5+. A cat.
No way.
Is that camera on? No wonder I thought it was a big one. I snagged a catfish.
Is that a blue?
Yep.
No way.
Haha.
And that's the channel.
Channel.
That's crazy. That's crazy, man.
Thought I had a bass. Got him right in the tail too. Look at it. Hey, wait. You're wrapping me up. I'm trying to get you loose, dummy. There we go. Is that on? All right. What you got is the jig part, which is just a standard jig, right? And then what they call the pig is the little trailer that goes on there. And you want to put it on there so that you just feed it up on there a little bit. Try to keep it in the middle of the crawl there. And then you have the legs facing up. So we've arrived at pond number 2, and this one we might get thrown out of. Is that correct?
Hopefully not.
But we're going to try it anyway, so it's all good. We'll let you know how we're doing. Francisco's got a bass out of here, so we know they're in here now. Got me a bass out of pond number 2. I think that makes us one apiece. So see if we can't get another one. All right, we're at a dog park. Getting ready to go fishing. Supposedly there's some big bass down here, so hopefully we can get one. Maybe get out of the wind a little bit. It's like 47 degrees out here. It's cold. But look at the games going on. Wow. All right, we're gonna get down here and see what we can do. Oh, look at the pretty doggy. All right. Well, we're having fun anyway. All right. Bass number 1 out of pond number 3. Hey, at least we're catching one out of every pond. That was a big one though. I like that one. So we know they're in here anyway. Got that on that little swim bait, didn't we? So what's the biggest one you've caught out of this pond?
I think it's pushing 6.
Nice.
Ooh. There you go. Oh, nice.
Got me a little baby too.
Oh, I just missed it right here.
All right.
Missed it right here. So they're in here, Doug.
All right, we have caught 2 whales. Got him another one. What'd you get that one on, a tube?
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, we are catching fish anyway, so that's all that counts, right?
There we go.
Got us a little bass going at pond number 3.
Healthy bass.
All right. Well, like I said, at least we're catching fish, man. It's cold out here today. I thought I was going to get close to 60. I don't even think I made it to 50. Got another little one. Pond hopping, Columbus, Ohio. Got me a little bass. Well, we've caught a few fish today up here in Columbus, bouncing around from pond to pond. But we're going to call it a day. And I got to drive back to Cincinnati, and he's got stuff he's got to do. So we'll talk at you all later. Well, I made it back to Cincinnati. Just left Columbus a couple hours ago, and had a good day fishing with Francisco and just pond hopping. Most of my fish were caught on a bitsy bug. I caught one on a jerk bait. I think he caught one on a couple on a inline spinner like a rooster tail, and a little swim bait, like a 3-inch swim bait. So it was all good. We had a good time, and hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll talk to you